Yeah, integral, guys. So we have this property that say a to the exponent b is equal to a to the b ln ln a. So now we have this function and also a function on the exponent, which is the exponent. So if you want to find y prime of this, have to first change it into this form. So now we have x to the power x is equal to e to the power x ln x. We've used this property to change this into this form. Now this equals to y. Now see, y is equal to this equals to this, and it equals to y. Yeah. Then now let's find our derivative. So now we have y is equal to e to the power x ln x. Then let u equals to x ln x. And then y equals to e to the power u. Then dy over du is equal to e to the power u. Then du over dx is equal to x times, I'm using a product rule, the derivative for ln x, it's 1 over x, then plus, then I put ln x, then the derivative for this part, it's 1, then it's equal to x over x plus ln x, then is equal to 1 plus ln x. Then now if I want dy over dx is equal to dy over du times du over dx then is equal to, then dy over d, it's e to the power u times 1 plus ln x. Then substitute back with the u. This is the value of u. We have to substitute back into here. So it's equal to e to the power x ln x times 1 plus ln x. Then we are done. Alright, so we are supposed to find the derivative for y, meaning we are supposed to find y prime, and we have this function. It has exponent, which is another function. So how are we going to solve this? First of all, we have to change it into this form. So how are we going to achieve that? So we'll simply just say y equals to 2x to the power x is equal to, so e to the power root x will be on the left times ln of this part, which is x. Multiply by that 2. So this is this constant that is multiplying all this. So this is how you change this to this. this is A, this is B, A, B, A, B, and then this is B, this is A, this is B, this is A. So on this side, this is B, this is A, this is B, this is A, this is B, this is A, and this is just a constant. So let's solve. Now our problem just become very easier for us to solve it, because now we have y is equal to e to the power root x times ln x. So we know that we can just say this, we can just make this to be u. So let u equals to root x times ln x, and then find du over dx. Now we have y is equal to 2 e to the power u. Then dy over du is equal to 2 times e to the power u. Impressive. 2 times e to the power u, and then let's find du over dx. Du over dx. Du over dx is equal to root x times the derivative for this part, which is 1 over x plus ln x times the derivative for this part, which is root x. The derivative for root x is equal to 1 over 2 root x. That is the derivative for that part. Then we have is equal to root x over x plus ln x over 2 root x. Now we want dy over dx is equal to dy over du times du over dx, then is equal to, substitute here with the value of dy over dx, which is that value, and then substitute it with this value, or du over dx. Du over dx is this value, it's this value, and then dy over du, it's that value. So let's substitute. It's 2 e to the power u times root x over x plus ln x over 2 root x, and then is equal to 2 e. Then you substitute back with the u. The value of u is that one, so it's root x, times ln x times root x over x, it's x plus ln x divided by 2 root x, and then that is our answer. But we can convert this part into the original part. Remember, we said this part equals to this part, so we can change it back. So is equal to 2x root x times root x over x plus ln x over 2 root x. Then that is our final answer. But you can simplify further if you want that, but this should do it.